I wore braces when I was younger, and like many people, I stopped wearing my retainer and my teeth shifted. So this year, one of my resolutions is to straighten my smile back up using Byte. This cute reflective box comes with a priority mail envelope so you can mail back your molds. Inside is an instruction manual, the putty you use to make the molds, a cheek stretcher and some gloves, and the mold trays. I think it's best to read the instructions before I do anything drastic. Love that. Alright, so those last two were a little brutal. I was drooling a lot. I had to like do it over the sink because I was just like drooling all over my shirt. But I finished all 4 of my molds. So the next step for me is to mail these into Byte, and then I'll get my first set of aligners. So I'll keep you posted.